sounds crazy. I don't like the sound of that at all.
What do you think of that, Tiffany? Pretty lame, huh?
I wish Sky would come out and watch it. No, he's playing video games. I always want to play video games. I just want to play video games. This is boring. Lame. What a ripoff. What a ripoff. Even though it's free, we're just standing at the end of our driveway watching the air show, and it's a ripoff.
There's thunder in the background.
Is it, or is it fireworks?
Thunder is my guess.
The birds are angry.
Birds are pissed over.
Well, now they're getting quiet.
Now they're quiet. They're listening to the thunderstorm, but as soon as that stops, listen to the
There's
birds.
one angry bird over there. That's Mr. Peck. He doesn't like it. Says no one asked him.
There's
if he was
Susan's
there
house.
for the day.
There's our mailbox. There's my lovely wife. There's our recycling bin.
Birds. Angry birds.
Uh-oh, here come the birds.
Look, there's a cardinal there, and there's a cardinal there. I don't know which one's Mr. Peck now.
There they go.
Oh, there's one. There's an airplane. Flying upside down, man. You've been drinking? You're doing it wrong. Yep, the airport's that way.
What's it? Oh, more thunder.
Yeah, that's a thunderstorm right there.
If
I
we're
think
lucky,
it's gonna
maybe
miss
we'll
us.
catch the beginning of a funnel cloud formation off.
I doubt it. We don't get a lot of those around here.
Any last words for YouTube people?
I'm not going to be on YouTube.
Yeah, you are.
You are not.